10 ways to screw up the profit in your interior design business. Don't do this. Part 5. All right, so listen, one of the biggest ways to crush the profit in your design business is not closing the deal, not signing new clients. If you are getting in front of clients and not getting the jobs, one of 3 things is off. Number 1, by the time you meet with a client to present a new project proposal, you should know with 1,000% certainty that this potential client is the perfect fit for your company, and you're the perfect fit for them. You should have already vetted them well during those early conversations. Number 2, if you're still not closing the business and you know that they were absolutely the right potential client for you, then 2 other things could be off. Number 1, or this is actually number 2, you are being timid in your sales language because you somehow think that selling is slimy, or you're being shy because you think selling is slimy. Not so. You are not a slimy car salesman. You are a talented designer, and the thing that the people sitting across from you on the other side of the table, the thing they need is you and what you're providing. You should absolutely know that design is your right work. It's your service, and you are taking care of people through the offerings that you have for them. Change your perspective so that you'll change your sales language. And speaking of changing your sales language, 3rd problem, you have to absolutely love times 1,000 your service packages and your offering. You have to believe in it so much and love it that you cannot wait to talk to people about it. That's how much you have to love and believe in your service packages. Now, do you need to redo your service packages? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But you need to love what you're selling. So if you are not signing clients, don't do that. That is what will hurt your design business. But here's something you should do. I hope you'll join me. I've got a great free workshop happening about up-leveling your design business. So head over to my bio and sign up so you can get in on a little more action about up-leveling your design business. And in the meantime, sign those clients. Otherwise, you're hurting the profit in your company.